Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips on keyboard settings of your device Realme C33. So if you want to learn about the keyboard settings of your device Realme C33, you can learn it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the keyboard settings of your device.